Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can make text and icons on the screen bigger or smaller on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page you want to scroll down and tap on display. Now we scroll down and then tap on screen zoom. Next, go down to the bottom and drag on the screen zoom slider bar. Drag it to the left to decrease the size or make the text size and the icons smaller. To increase it, you can drag it to the right hand side. Now select your preferred text size and icon size and then tap on the back key to save the changes. After that, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Now, if you just simply want to increase the text size and not the icons on the screen or images, then what you can do is go into font size and style, and instead change the font size and not the screen zoom. The screen zoom will make everything on your screen bigger and smaller, whereas the font size and style will only change the text on your screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching.